began to share with me about how you have a heart for young women.
Everybody shout, it's my time.
Jesus loves you. 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 3. For his divine power has bestowed upon us all things that are requisite and suited to life and godliness, through the full personal knowledge of him who called us by and to his own glory and excellence. Oh, we serve a wonderful God, and he desires for you and I to be growing each and every day in him, to becoming a more godly person today than we were yesterday, tonight than we were last night. And don't be concerned about your past. Do you know what? We cannot change our past, but we can change our future. We need to learn how to break off the rear view mirror from our life. Don't look back. Luke 9:62, Jesus said, no man, having put his hand to the plow and looking back, is fit for the kingdom of heaven. Look forward and just have a desire to grow in Jesus Christ more and more every day, and he will honor that.